delight. Morning sunshine shining, hiking through hiking through the reef and finding friendly creatures. Beach games and a picnic, building sandy castles. Treasure hunt excitement, so much fun today. Dance around the campfire, Grandpa's tunes are great. Packing up with memories, camping was so great. Goodbye camping trip, swimming back together, waving with a big smile.